Sanibonani babukeli nabathandi bayi-THATHE TV sisaqhubeka sisesekhona la sikhona khona esigodlweni ka-Prof CM Likhuleni esigodle esikhulu kundlula zonke enkangala ngisho kona ngithi bafowethu ngisahamba naye malume kakarabo udirile bunolo ngisho kona ngithi bafowethu thambi lenyoka inkulumo zabantu ziyakhulumisa ngabasikhulumi kanje hlala bamzonda lihlaba omuzonda izo zonke uzuthande iprofessor CM Likhuleni idouble amanzi inyanga muni inyanga kodwisisa inyanga yakubhashisha ngqondo hey ngithi halakasha malume wakhe.
Galawa, thanks Prof, thanks for welcoming me back, guys. Again, we apologize for the long absence, Shem. Yeah, Samile, but yeah, it is what it is. We are back. Season Tlapela, every week. So yeah, and to those that thought we were gone, I don't know why people were calling me and asking me whether I'm still in business. How am I gonna go out of business? But anyway, Prof, new surgery, Rustenburg. Abantu bakhalile bathula bakhala futhi bakhala futhi. So manje you saying ukuthi plan of action akusakhulunywa kwenziwa manje. What's the latest? What's happening?
Thank you, BRKB. Dala ngifuna lena ngifuna kakhulu nyani simpela. Rustenburg, Lidach, next to Sun City. Surgery yoba ivuliwe ngenkani, BRKB ngenkani iba khona. Rustenburg shem. Hey bafowethu. KB yalokathi bandrasetsa prof. Bandrasetsa. Yazi bandrasetsa. Problem BRKB is hard. Ukuyothola indawo emntwini onga-understand ibhoko or emntwini onga-understand umsebenzi wakho. So ingako uye uzama ukuthi ithi ngiyenze into endaweni ezothi Likhuleni we engeke ngilonge ngihluphana nama-tenants athi ngakaela yaloya ngakaela yetsanga yiloko ngikushoyo nje kuphela kwanamhlanje ngithi Lidach ila isport esikahle nizobona babukeli nabathandi bayi-THATHE TV uBRKB yobaphethe camera yakhe anikhoma ukuthi la 28 BRKB isukile ngangibatshelile ngenza live ngibalathandi beDABULA ukuthi hey yasuka eRustenburg mhla ka-October nge-29 nge-28 siya launch siyayivula okusemthethweni yazi manje ngisebenza but on that day ngoba ngisebenza ngithe bantu aba-register BRKB nge-1.5 eRustenburg ngibanikeza i-40%.
Okay, all right. So kuzoba na advert coming, don't worry about that. But you're saying ukuthi the new surgery Rustenburg, particularly leather izovula.
Yes.
So everyone Mohwase, Thavane, Mabiskral, Mafikeng, those are the closest.
Oh,
that place will be Luka. Hey man, yeah, all those places you'll be serviced, and then you guys that were from Mabatu and all those other areas welcome. Even Batubago trainer, they can drive down. Yeah, that's like the closest. You don't have to come out here and whatever. So that place is going to service a lot of people. Even Batubago Limpopo, if you are coming via Tabazimbi, you can drive down there and be serviced by LENTO. So 28th of this month, there's going to be a special. We are launching. Okay, it is gonna be this. It means Guti, if you thought you missed out, could launch this one now. It's number 2, 40%.
Nyabonga bafowethu ningangizwakabi 40% off.
Okay, we'll show you the visuals before the launch. We'll be there tomorrow. Minano Prof for driving up there to the northwest to take some visuals. And yeah, Prof, thank you.
Thank you, sir.